Welcome YouTube family to this amazing community where bold ideas meet smart strategies. If you're new here, you're welcome. I share tips on making money online, finding remote work, and mastering useful tech skills. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Now let's jump right into today's video. Hey guys, in today's video, we're diving into an exciting opportunity. Telus Digital is looking for English-speaking freelancers to take on a task like data annotation, labeling, and data collection. If you have ever wanted to be part of shaping the future of AI-driven content, then this could be your chance. Let's dive in as we get started. Displayed on my screen, Telus Digital is looking for AI data annotation specialists, and this is a global freelance role. So regardless of your location or your country of residence, you can apply for this remote opportunity, all right? And this remote opportunity offers flexible hours. You can work between 10 hours per day and 40 hours per week, right? So, and the duration of the project is immediate through December 2025. So you can apply from now and you can have opportunity to get the job. So let's go through the key responsibilities so that we can understand what we are going to do in this job. So the key responsibility are annotate and label tags, categorize and review text, images and documents. So that's the first key responsibility. The second one is collect data, gather and organize high quality data sets for AI training. Then the third one is ensure quality review and validate data for precision and consistency. Then the fourth one is collaborate globally, work with an international team to hit project milestone. All right, so that is basically what you are going to be doing on this job. Then what is the payment like? This opportunity pays between $6 to $18 per hour, depending on your experience, geographical location, and project requirements. So in some countries, you might be paid $6, and in some other country, you might be paid $18 per hour. Payment is competitive, just like I said, and reflective to the value of the contribution of AI training projects. Alright, so what are the basic requirements you need to get started? You must have strong attention to details and ability to follow precise instructions in English. So you must be able to follow detailed instruction that is given to you according to the job description. Reliable internet connection and ability to work independently. Then prior experience in data annotation, labeling is a plus but not required. Basic understanding of AI or machine learning concept is advantageous. Alright, so you can take advantage of this opportunity if you have this basic requirement for you to apply for the job. Then what are the assessments that are going to be given for you to be able to move to the next level? Alright, you have to complete an initial qualification assessment to demonstrate suitability for the role and provide an ID verification for participation. Alright, so I've applied for this opportunity, so I was given an ID verification process to go through it. So I'm going to show you in the next step. So if you have any question regarding signing up on this project, you can easily send your email to recruitment europe@telusdigital.com. So I'm going to be dropping the link on how you can apply on my comment section. So do well to go over and click on the link to apply for this remote opportunity. If you like what I'm doing, kindly give this video a like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel so that you can get more updates like this. All right. For you to be able to apply, I'm going to click on login to apply. All right. So you're going to go over to sign up. So you're going to click on email. You're going to input your email address, your first name, your middle name, your last name. All right, so once you input that, you are going to click on continue. All right, so you are going to be following the steps according to what is given to you on your dashboard. So it's so easy to sign up for this remote opportunity. So I received this email for my facial verification. So you are just going to scroll down Once you have received the email, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see this unique ID verification link. So you're going to click on this link. It's going to give you an opportunity to attempt your ID verification. Now, what are the required documents that is needed? Documents, all right? So you must have a valid government ID card. It can be your driver's license, your voter's card, or your international travel passport for you to be able to verify your identity. All right, so this identification process is just to know that you are the right person that is applying for this remote opportunity. All right, then the last step is for you to take your facial verification. So you're just going to go through this process according to what is displayed on your screen. All right, so if you have any question, kindly go over to the comment section, ask your questions. I'll be there to put you through on each and every process. I also share updates on my Telegram group, so I'm going to drop the link on my comment section. So do well to join the Telegram group so that once I drop updates, you are not going to miss out on each and every opportunity. All right, so thank you guys for staying true to the very end of this video, and I'll be seeing you guys in my very next one. Enjoy.